Slack's upgraded AI can analyze how you work. Google's Performance Advisor Steph Curry teased a new wearable. And an immersive Black Mirror experience is launching in Montreal. It's Wednesday, April 1st, and here's a quick look at tech news this morning from Engadget. Salesforce has unveiled the latest version of Slack, which comes with a whole host of new AI features to add to its ever-growing catalog. Naturally, many of these tools are embedded into Slackbot, which the company had already pledged to turn into a personalized AI companion. The new features include the stuff you would expect, such as transcription, note-taking, and deep research, as well as integrations with the rest of the Salesforce family. But it will also get reusable skills, which sound a lot like automations, where a team can define a task from start to finish, and then the bot will run it whenever it's called for. In fact, there's a big focus on sharing and co-developing tools within organizations, so if you find a prompt that actually gets useful data out of Slackbot, you can share that with your team. And Slackbot will now analyze how you work as it attempts to discern your preferences, workflows, and shortcuts, which, if you read it in one way, sounds as if it's actively looking to work out how to do your job so it can just replace you. Of course, that probably won't happen, right? Anyway, Salesforce is also using these new Slack tools as a way to gently upsell small businesses toward its bigger products. New Slackbot is equipped with native customer management, reading your channels, learning what goes on, and keeping your deals, contacts, and call notes up to date automatically. In its release, it even says that growing firms can start simple inside Slack, scale up to Salesforce when ready. Similarly, every Salesforce customer will now be getting Slack bundled in to help ensure all of your relationships and work remain in the same place under Slackbot's helpful eye. Well, NBA basketball player Steph Curry has long collaborated with Google and last year took on the role of Performance Advisor at the company as part of a multi-year partnership. It appears the first product of this union is coming soon based on a video posted to Curry's Instagram account. The 15-second clip shows shots of Curry playing with a basketball, and a gray and orange band sits conspicuously on his left wrist. Interspersed are the words, "A new relationship with your health coming soon." And the video ends on the Google logo. Engadget reached out to Google for comment and details, and the company simply replied, "More to share soon." Based on what can be seen in the footage, the band seems to resemble a Whoop wearable, although a screen or any module is never shown. It's unclear how Google's product would be different, although it wouldn't be a stretch to guess that AI might feature somehow. Whoop was started in 2012 and announced that it had raised $575 million this week with a valuation of $10 billion. Whoop's investors include athletes like LeBron James and Cristiano Ronaldo, among other celebrities. Banijay is launching the Black Mirror experience, starting with Montreal in May, with additional locations to be announced in the future. Specifically, it will be produced by Banijay Live Studio, a new subsidiary of the production company that owns Black Mirror, in partnership with VR firm Universe. The studio described it as an interactive virtual reality experience that blends physical space and VR, designed to blur the lines of fiction and reality in which you become the main character. While it is based on the hit TV show, you apparently do not need any prior knowledge of the series to be able to enjoy it. The experience, which will span 60 minutes, can accommodate one person or groups of up to 6. Players 12 years old and above are welcome to participate. It puts the players in the showroom of a fictional tech giant called Phaeton that's unveiling the Life Agent, a robotic AI companion that's supposed to make their owner's life easier. Life Agent does a full body scan of its owner so it would know their needs before they do. But in true Black Mirror fashion, once it sees through their eyes, it knows exactly how to help, whether they asked it to or not. You can take part in the event at Infinity Experiences in Montreal. That's all for now. Thanks for listening. There's more tech news to be found at Engadget.com. This episode featured journalism from Daniel Cooper, Sherilyn Lowe, and Mariella Moon. Enjoy your day, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with more tech news from Engadget.